Today's lesson, we are learning about area. What defines area? Well, area is the space that makes up the inside of a shape. This is one rectangle. The unit inside it is one square unit, which happens to be the area. This rectangle has 4 rectangles. The area is 4. This rectangle also has side lengths of 2. That means that each side length is 2 units long. To find the area of this shape, we can multiply the side lengths together to get the area. We know that 2 by 2 is 4, so that means the shape's area is 4 units squared, meaning the inside shape consists of 4 units. Now it's your turn to find the area of a shape I will give you. Make sure you have a pencil and paper handy. Here is your shape. There are a couple different ways to find the area of this shape. We can count the squares inside it, or we can multiply the side lengths. Let's count up the number of square units. Since there are 12 squares that make up this shape, that means that the area is 12 units squared. We can use the side length method to find the area of this shape. We can see that one side is 3 units and the other side is 4 units. What will we get if we multiply the side lengths of 3 and 4? 3 times 4 equals 12. So that means the area of this rectangle is 12 units squared. When talking about area, we tend to use units of measurement. Units of measurement consist of things such as feet, inches, and meters. Some shapes are given side lengths with inches as a length of measurement, such as this one. To find the area, we can use the side length method. We can multiply 5 inches by 3 inches to find the area. If we multiply the two side lengths of 5 inches by 3 inches, we get 15 inches squared for the area of this shape. Let's try another one. This shape has 2 side lengths. One is 3 feet long and one is 6 feet long. What do we do first in finding the area of this shape? Knowing the side lengths, what do we multiply together? That's right, 6 feet by 3 feet equals 18 feet squared, meaning the area is 18 feet squared. All right, we just covered a mini lesson on area and units of measurement. Way to go! Make sure to use these lessons learned in this video in the classroom and at home.